It's Meal Prep Monday. Let's go ahead and meal prep some breakfasts for the week. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of apple, and you always want to use a little bit of lemon or lemon juice when you are working with apples because they'll turn brown. We're going to use some frozen blueberries. We have a little bit of homemade yogurt, some milk, oatmeal, brown sugar, honey, and you could also use maple syrup if you like. So no, we're not going to mix it all together, but we're going to make several different meal prep breakfasts so that we have them during the week. We're also going to be doing them in a variety of containers and jars. So if you're carrying these to work or school, you have something to carry them in. I don't recommend sending children with these because these are made of glass, by the way, just for adults. Okay, but meal prep can be done for kids in these containers, and they will love this. First up, let's go ahead and make this overnight oats with apple. And here's, you can use any kind of apple. I had Granny Smith in the house, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to use Granny Smith. We're going to start with a half a cup of oats, and we're going to pour those into our container. And we've got brown sugar. Next, we're going to want to add in our milk. We're going to add in 1/3 cup of milk. And we're just going to stir it. Now that we've got those stirred together, let's go ahead and get our apples in there. Now you could cut your apples up small and mix them in if you like. I'm just doing mine for effect. Remember, we got to use the lemon on those apples so they're turned brown. So a little squeeze of lemon over those apples. And now here's the secret. We've already got a little bit of sugar in there. We've got the oats, we've got the apple. But now let's give it just a little bit more flavor. I like to use this apple pie spice. If you don't have this, you could certainly use a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon, and boom, there you got it. One overnight apple breakfast ready to go. It takes literally 2 minutes to make. You could really just carry that to work or pull it out the fridge if you work from home. All right, let's go ahead and make some blueberry overnight oats. Very simple. We're going to do a half cup of oats in a to-go bowl. We're going to do 1/3 cup of milk, of white sugar. If you are watching sugar, you could go ahead and put something completely different in here, a substitute. That would be absolutely fine and recommended. Or you could use honey if you'd rather just go an all-natural route. It's up to you. Then we're going to stir this up. All that's left to do is let's get some of these wonderful blueberries. These were the frozen blueberries. We bought these and then froze them and put them away for another day. And then here we go. You can add as many as you like. And you've got your overnight oat blueberry. Be wonderful for breakfast tomorrow. How simple was that? It took less than a minute.